Are you using the right cleaner for your ceramic tile floors? Dear friends, are you using the right cleaner for your ceramic tile floors? You might be surprised. Many people unknowingly damage their tiles by choosing the wrong products. Ceramic tiles are durable, but they still need proper care. Using harsh chemicals like bleach or ammonia can slowly wear down the finish and even discolor grout lines. Over time, this can make your floor look dull and aged. Instead, a mild, pH-neutral cleaner is your best friend. These cleaners are specifically designed to remove dirt and grease without harming the tile surface. Even a simple mix of warm water and a few drops of dish soap can work wonders for daily cleaning. Another common mistake is using too much cleaner. Excess product can leave a sticky residue that attracts more dirt, making your floors look dirty faster. Always use the recommended amount and rinse with clean water when needed. Don't forget about grout. Grout lines are porous and easily trap dirt. A soft brush with a gentle cleaner can help keep them looking fresh without causing damage. Also, avoid oil-based or wax cleaners. While they may promise shine, they can actually create a slippery film and reduce the natural look of ceramic tiles. In the end, the right cleaner keeps your floors clean, safe, and long-lasting. So next time you mop, make sure you're choosing wisely. Your tiles will thank you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.